Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best car carpet cleaners that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Bissell 3624 Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Bissell 3624 Spot Clean is perfect for dealing with all types of stains on the car and carpet. This cleaning expert has the total size of 10 by 14 by 14 inches, and it is great for cleaning almost everywhere. The long and flexible hose can reach narrow places way better than other choices. The package for this product comes with many useful accessories, too. 5 Flex Hose helps to clean spots and stains in hard-to-reach areas including stairs, upholstery, and area rugs. Moreover, you will be amazed by its smart design. With the long power cord, cleaning is no longer a hard task. Moving on at number 4, we have Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Tornador is here to offer great assistance when it comes to cleaning carpet and car. This car cleaning gun tool Z010 model adopts the new innovative technology that can clean and air dry the object in just seconds. With the powerful air compressor, even the tough cleaning task will become much easier. Besides using it for the interior part of the car, it is highly recommended for cleaning wheels too. It is the ideal choice for busy people, as it doesn't require complicated maintenance process at all. This smart machine is designed to have the size of 14 by 12 by 9 inches. When you are cleaning places that you think other products cannot clean well, think of this product. At number 3, we have Tornador Car Cleaning Gun Tool Z010. If you are having problems with the stains, this should be the right time to say goodbye to it. It is one of the best car steam cleaners that you can get at affordable price. AutoRite Steam Machine C900054 is a multi-purpose product that can clean like a pro. It is suitable for removing dirt, grime, stain and grease from your car using less effort. It is also a great choice that you can consider if you plan to get the small yet powerful tool for indoor cleaning. For your information, the accessories in this package are up to 11 units. Be noted that the size of this item is 17 by 12.4 by 11 inches. At number 2, we have AutoRite C900054 M-Red Steam Machine Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. This is the great tool that can clean your carpet in less time and with little effort. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner is a portable product that has the total size of 17.8 by 12.5 by 17.8 inches. This one is an expert in cleaning tough and old stains better than most cleaners. The weight of this item is light, so you can lift and use it just about anywhere you want. You can also refill the water tank easily as it is totally removable. If look closely at its features, you will be amazed by its powerful suction. The power cord attached to this machine is 5.5 feet, the suitable length for using in many places. And finally at number 1. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3 Pet Pack Carpet Cleaner. Indoor pets have a reputation of tracking in mud and having accidents, leaving messes on otherwise pristine carpeted areas. Remove deep, set in dirt, grime, filth, stains or soils from household pet messes using the Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3 Pet Pack. Yields professional grade results that renew carpets or soft surfaces to their original condition. The user-friendly and convenient pet pack includes one Mighty Pro X3 deep carpet cleaning machine, one handheld upholstery toolkit, one 40-ounce bottle of pet carpet cleaning solution and one 24-ounce bottle of Platinum Professional Urine Eliminator Spray. Whether urine, fecal matter, blood, vomit or hairballs, the Pet Pack has an arsenal of powerful, deep cleaning products backed by the trusted results of Rug Doctor that attacks stains and odors at their source. Pre-treat soft surfaces or carpets with cleaning solutions and simultaneously extract stains while neutralizing unbearable smells that deter remarking for a healthier, happier home. More capacity, more than twice the capacity of many machines, the X3 has a 3.9-gallon recovery tank. This means less refilling and emptying. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.